Hey guys, so recently I got this 11 by 11 and I thought, why not unbox it? So that's what we're doing today. It's quite hard to turn the cube and it's really heavy. I mean, compared to a 3x3, it's like the same weight as about 100 3x3s. Let's try some corner cutting. Yeah, I should probably not do that. Compared to a 3x3, the edge piece is almost as big as one of the normal 3x3 pieces. Let's compare it to my 7x7. The 7x7 looks so tiny compared to it. I mean, it's so small. But it's also made out of a different type of plastic. I don't know what type of plastic it is, but it feels really weird. I am going to be scrambling and solving it in one of my other videos. Let's do a checkerboard pattern. It's really hard to hold the cube. I mean, I sort of have to use the table. It's like a workout turning this cube. It's so heavy. There, checkerboard done. Now you can truly see how big this cube is. And the only thing left to do is scramble it. So yeah, the solve is coming probably next week. So let's scramble it. Oh no, this will take so long to solve. I could probably do some pixel art on this cube. Even scrambling it is hard. Okay, all done. See you next week.